In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Shopify's dashboard to update your online store with a fresh image. Whether you're a seasoned Shopify user or just starting, these steps will help you enhance your online presence with ease, ensuring that your store always looks its best. First, you'll want to access your Shopify account. If you're already logged in, simply navigate to the My Store section, which you can find under the home page of your dashboard. This is the central hub where you can manage all key aspects of your store, from orders to products and beyond. Once you're there, you'll see different tabs and options that lead to various functionalities within your Shopify store. Now, locate and click on the Online Store option. The Online Store section is where you can handle everything related to the appearance and functionality of your digital storefront. Here you can manage your themes, blog posts, and more. Clicking on this section will allow us to start making visual updates to your site, improving the look and appeal to your customers. Moving on, your next step is to find the Preferences option within the Online Store section. The Preferences tab is particularly important because it lets you set essential settings for your store's search engine optimization and customer experience. Here you will be able to customize your store's basic SEO settings and add or change images that appear on your storefront. It's crucial that these images are engaging and relevant, as they can greatly influence a visitor's first impression of your store. Once you're in the Preferences section, you'll want to look for the option to Add Image. This is your opportunity to upload a new image that can capture the attention of potential customers. Images must be high quality and represent your brand well. Clicking on the Add Image button will open up your file browser. From here, you can select an image from your device to upload. As a tip, ensure that your image dimensions and file size comply with Shopify's requirements for optimal performance and loading times. To wrap things up, after selecting your desired image, confirm your choice and save any changes. It's always a good idea to preview your store afterwards to see how the new image fits into your storefront visually. This proactive step ensures that all elements are seamless and reflect the aesthetic you want to offer your customers. And there you have it. Those are the steps to updating your Shopify store's image through the dashboard. With these fresh updates, you should see a more engaging interface, potentially drawing in more visitors and boosting sales. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore other customization options and continue refining your online storefront to stand out in the e-commerce space. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!